In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Cloudways and Kinsta for high-performance WordPress hosting. If you build client websites, run WooCommerce stores, or manage demanding online learning platforms, hosting performance is not something you can afford to overlook. A slow site hurts user experience, weakens SEO, and can directly reduce sales and lead generation. Cloudways and Kinsta are two major names in premium WordPress hosting, but they take very different approaches, and understanding that difference is the key to making the right decision. Let's start with the big picture. Cloudways is a managed layer on top of cloud providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, and AWS. That means you're working with dedicated server resources, including your own RAM and CPU allocation, and you get more freedom to adjust server settings, caching behavior, and background tasks. Kinsta, on the other hand, is a fully managed platform built on Google Cloud. Instead of giving you low-level server control, it puts each site inside an isolated container and handles optimization for you behind the scenes. It's more locked down, but also more hands-off. Next, think about how each platform handles growth. Cloudways does not impose artificial visitor caps or strict limits on how many WordPress sites you can place on one server. As long as your server resources can handle the load, you can host multiple sites without automatic overage pricing. Kinsta uses plan-based limits, including traffic thresholds and install counts, so scaling across multiple client sites usually means moving to more expensive tiers. When it comes to performance tools, both platforms are strong, but in different ways. Kinsta includes a highly optimized stack, built-in performance monitoring, and Cloudflare enterprise integration. Cloudways uses a powerful combination of Nginx, Apache, Varnish, and Memcached, and if you choose a server with at least 2 GB of RAM, you also unlock Redis object caching, which can make a big difference for dynamic sites like WooCommerce. If Cloudways sounds like the better fit, open your browser, go to cloudways.com, sign in, and click Launch Now. Choose the latest WordPress optimized setup, select DigitalOcean, then pick the premium option for faster storage. Set your server size to 2 GB of RAM or higher. Choose the data center closest to your audience and launch the server. Provisioning usually finishes in just a few minutes. If you prefer a simpler, premium managed experience, sign into Kinsta through its dashboard and deploy your site there. Kinsta is especially appealing if you want strong built-in security and minimal server management. If you launched on Cloudways, open your application dashboard, go to domain management, enter your live domain, and set it as primary. Then go to SSL certificate, enter your email and domain, and install the certificate so your site loads securely over HTTPS. Finally, review your dashboard carefully. Confirm that the domain is connected correctly, your SSL is active, and your CPU and memory usage remain within safe limits.